A day in my life as a digital creator. Small time creator lang ako guys. So, wala pang kita and actually kumita na ako sa YouTube. However, dito sa Facebook or Meta, hindi pa rin. As a small content creator, wala naman tayong ganong kalaking budget for our content. So we want or nag-make sure na ako na nag-take kami ng heavy breakfast. Guys! And of course, meron din tayo dapat budget for our gas and pag-order ng ating foods. So usually, pag pumupunta kami sa ganitong shop or coffee shop, kumain na kami and nag-order kami ng like one bread or clubhouse and one coffee. Then share na lang kami ng aking husband. So ito na nga, nakarating na kami sa Coco Bake Club. And this is located at the Orchard Community Place. So ayan, makikita nyo at umuulan ngayon. Guys! Actually, nakita ko nito sa Facebook at ko-open lang nila last August. And ayan, pumasok na tayo. Ang fresh ng ambience. So cool sa mata. So dahil one of my favorite color is pink. So ayan. So ito yung mga variants ng bread nila. Maraming variety of breads like